Hey, have you ever noticed this annoying iPhone camera problem? Every time you open your camera app, live photos automatically turns back on even though you turned it off before. Don't worry, this is not a bug, it's just a setting. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn off live photos permanently step by step. So first, open the camera app on your iPhone and now tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now tap on live photo until it shows off. At this point, live photos is turned off. But here's the problem. The next time you open the camera app, live photos turns back on again. So let's fix this permanently. Exit the camera app. Now open settings. Scroll down a little bit and tap on camera. Inside camera settings, scroll down again and select preserve settings. Here you will see an option called live photo. Turn it on, and these settings tells your iPhone to remember your last camera choice instead of resetting it every time you open the app. Many beginners think turning this on will active live photos, but actually it does the opposite. It just saves your preference. And now go back to the camera app again and turn live photos off one last time. Now close the camera app completely. Again reopen it and see live photos stays off. And that's how you can permanently turn off live photos on your iPhone camera app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and follow for more easy iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.